all here to have a good time, relax, put the phone away, and just kick it, you know?
We have had a great time.
The weather is beautiful, the resort is beautiful.
Yeah, everyone's really nice and the property's gorgeous.
We had a great meal last night in the Mexican restaurant. The music was great. The water this morning was perfect. Jim did a little snorkeling.
All kinds of coloured fish, beautiful.
The Caribbean sea's gorgeous and the white sand, and it's beautiful this side of Mexico.
This is my birthday, my 35th birthday, so I'm excited to be here. I'm having an awesome time.
There's younger kids that would be our children's age, and older folks like us, and even older than that.
The accommodation is lovely.
The room was awesome.
Yeah, the room's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
The bed is super comfortable.
Situated perfectly for a beachfront view. The temperature has been comfortable in the room. The pillows are amazing.
Everybody's been great. Like the check-in staff last night were really nice, really fabulous.
They're always making sure the food is good.
We've had Ricardo this afternoon, kind of topping up our drinks for us around the pool.
I go up to the bar, I ask for a specific drink, they make it.
Did the buffet, we tried the coffee, little coffee shops and stuff like that.
We had Mexican restaurant
Oh, we
last
did.
night. The Mexican was really good.
My breakfast was fit for a queen, a birthday queen.
Absolutely beautiful.
The whole place is excellent.
I'll definitely be back, no questions asked.
There's no reason we would go anywhere else.